Hi guys, I am a gardener, head of garden in Wiltshire, United Kingdom, on a 20 acres land. I have a walled garden with lots of vegetables, apple trees, flowers, bushes, huge area with flower beds outside the walled garden, lots of roses, special beds, borders, etc., etc. And the biggest pain when it's not raining. I have tried, trust me, all type of irrigations, and lucky me, I've got an automatic system with 12 different valve points. When the irrigation automatically starts, I can delay it, I can set up the time, start time, the length, duration, etc., etc. Very lucky. But the most important in 2020, I found a real solution. Many people told me already, that's the best, but I was worried about it. I was worried about it because the irrigation itself makes lots of trouble, makes extra jobs for you. Always repair it, find it, what is the pressure, do you need lower pressure, higher pressure, whatever it is. It's always a pain, but one of the best, and I think that's the best solution with no hassle, is the drip irrigation, and I'm going to show you which type of drip irrigation. You need to use two different ones. I think there is one what is more common. It's the 60mm wide tubing pipe with a 33cm length difference of, I cannot speak. So the gap is between the little drippers are 33 centimeters, and there was some smaller tubes on the market last year, but this year they definitely started to make it. And this is the 6mm or 4mm tube with 15 centimeter gap between the drippers, and the combination of these two solves all of your problems. Trust me, I tried everything. I've got big jets, small jets, drippers, small drippers, thick soakers, tiny soakers, everything, and that's the only one. So let's see. Don't forget to like my video, put your comment, make your comment, give some more advice. I really appreciate that. This is a big high pressure irrigation. However, whatever sprayers you put, because you need a lot, is cracked down, you know. You need to change them all the time, and one of them runs, the other doesn't. One of them works halfway, and after the other one is stronger. You can try the same pressure sprayers or jets. You can try different ones. It doesn't matter. It will be always just a crap hole. So don't bother anymore. Only drip irrigation. 33 or something centimeter distance and 15 centimeter distance. That's it. It's just crap, honestly. Yes, there are some what is better. This is a little bit better. This is better. That one is crap. However, I just bought and it was new. That's crap. That's crap. You think it's not enough pressure, but after you see this, and this is just lovely. There is the dead one. We are in the 21st century, not in the 20th. So all these droppers, sprayers, jets, all goes to the hell. Had enough from this. They spray everywhere. Once the flower is growing, anything, they block the water. So I just had enough. Yeah, get rid of them, because there's something else what is more efficient, and I love it. Love it, love it, love it.